So in this session, we can learn about introduction to the dossier and registration dossier process, detailed breakdown of the dossier components, objective and intended outcome for the dossier, frequently utilized dossier within the pharmaceutical sector, and explanation of different dossier formats, strategies for effective dossier management, steps for compiling and reviewing dossier preparation, procedure for regulatory submissions, planning and preparation involved in regulatory submissions, key review consideration for regulatory submission, use and organization of the binders in the pharmaceutical industry. So this is the overview of the practical approach. So I will cover few topics today and a few more topics by next week. So I think I have planned for 1 to 5 sessions for the practical overview. So in this overview, we can give the hand-on experience for ECTD as well as during the session. So let's start with today's topic. So first of all, what is understanding about the dossier? So the dossier is essentially in the organized compliance of the document focused on single topic. So it's containing comprehensive detail about the individual or subject. So the context of the regulatory affairs and dossier, whatever the serve as the formal submission tool throughout the pharmaceutical company, request the approval form and regulatory authorities to make the market in the new drug within the specific country. So this is the dossier. So the dossier is the organized compliance of the document to focus on the single topic or containing the comprehensive detail, like from model 1 to model 5, the whole information we are keeping under dossier. So this is depending upon the country, regulatory authority, and within the specific country requirement as well as. And moving to next. So the registration dossier. So why it's required the registration dossier means it's a comprehensive file compiling all the essential technical information, covering administrative details, quality standards, non-clinical studies, and clinical data, the required from the pharmaceutical products to gain the approvals and registration in the marketing authorization within the specific country. So the registered dossier, we have the information we need to provide in the registered dossier means we need to provide the covering of the administrative detail, that is module 1, quality standards like module 2 and module 3 information, and non-clinical study and clinical data is covering clinical summaries, non-clinical summary, and data in module 4 and module 5. So the whole information we are providing for the pharmaceutical product to gain the approval and registration and marketing authorization within the specific country. Whereas in, United States and dossier typically known as the new drug application. So everybody well known about the NDA application for US FDA. And in the European Union, we can see we have the reference of the marketing authorization application, that is MAA. So simply we can call the registration dossier while filing the respective countries. So this is about registration dossier.